how to get your audio from sounding like this to sounding like this with the simple click of a button. Let me show you how to do it. All right, guys, so let's just keep this short and sweet. First thing you're going to do, you're going to drop into this website here, podcast.adobe.com. Okay, so this is the tool that we're going to be using today. It's an Adobe tool. It works fantastic. So I got two files here. I actually have the before sample and after sample here, but I wanted to show you how you're going to do it every step of the way. So all you have to do is visit the site, take your WAV file or your MP3 file, and just drag and drop, baby. That's it. Okay. So you just let it work, let it do its magic, and afterwards you're going to be able to download it straight from the site. Now I've already done that, but we're going to wait here and see. It takes just maybe a minute or two to process, and it's all done by AI, but it does such a good job. So I use it on all my videos that I'm producing now and in my future videos. So you see that it took about 30 seconds maybe. We got the original version and the enhanced version. You can listen to them. Right now I'm on my speakers. I don't want to blast your ears. I'm gonna have both of the samples later in the video as we move forward in DaVinci Resolve, so you can take a listen to them there as well. So all you gotta do here, download the file, save it, drag it into DaVinci or whatever video editing software you're using, and use the audio file. Okay, so let's continue the video. Well, okay, if you're happy with the results, great, use the Adobe tool. It's going to work in your benefit every time. But if you want to tweak it further, introduce a little bit of treble, smoothen it out a little bit, you can use a couple of tools in DaVinci Resolve. So let's jump into DaVinci Resolve and I can show you how I edit my audio. Okay, guys, welcome to DaVinci Resolve. We're going to jump in now. I'll try to keep this short and simple. We're going to do a couple of small tweaks to bring back some of that treble, bring back some of that, tone down the richness a little bit. Okay, so let's jump in and I'm going to show you how to do it. So first things first, let's listen to the original audio clip before putting it in the Adobe's software, and let's see what that sounds like.
Big news coming. We got Forza Horizon 6 officially launching, and it's taking us to the breathtaking landscapes of Japan.
Okay, that doesn't sound too bad. It's not as rich as the Adobe one. You're going to hear it. It still got some of that treble, but let's listen to the Adobe one. Let's see.
Big news coming. We got Forza Horizon 6 officially launching, and it's taking us to the breathtaking landscapes of Japan.
All right, good. Listening to both of them, my personal preference always starts to lean a little bit more towards the Adobe converted one. But still, we need to bring back, tone down the richness a little bit and bring back some of the treble, okay? So we're going to jump into the Fairlight tab here, okay? So on audio track 1, if you look here to the side on the right, we got voice isolation, we got dialogue leveler, we got in what order the effects are going to drop in at, and we got the effects themselves, dynamics, and EQ, okay? So first things first, let's jump into dynamics, and I already made a preset here which suits my voice, okay? So I'm just going to apply it. And as I mentioned before, sorry, I'm losing my voice here. And as I mentioned before, all the instructions regarding these different settings, you're going to find them in the link in the description below, where this guy, he explains it in a really good way, all of the settings, why he changes the things he changes, and how he adjusts it to his voice. I copied him and adapted it to my voice, simply. Okay, so we're going to start with the dynamics here. Good. We got the equalizer. Same thing here. I already have a preset. I named it AI update. And then I'm going to add de-esser. Same thing here. I already played with these settings. I have my own de-esser here. It's called AI Update as well. And let's see here, dialogue, leveler, voice isolation. You can play around with these, listen to the sound, play around with them. If it sounds good to you, use them. I don't use them. I just use these presets that I've already developed and implement them straight into audio track 1. Okay. So let's see what else we got here. And that's about it. So let's take a listen to the audio in the Adobe Enhance one.
Big news coming. We got Forza Horizon 6 officially launching, and it's taking us to the breathtaking landscapes of Japan.
All right, listening to this, I can already tell it's a lot better. It's cleaner, it's a little bit crisper. It tones down that digital AI vibe that you get from the Adobe website. So for me, just using the dynamics, the EQ, and the de-esser already does a fantastic job. So if you want to up your audio, if you want to bring it from a 9 to 10, just use these simple settings, play around with them a little bit, watch the video in my description, and your audio is going to get a major boost. Okay, so now you're taking your audio from a 9 out of 10 to a 10 out of 10, and I'm going to link the video of the teacher that taught me through YouTube what these settings actually do and go through them in detail, because I've only showed you how to adjust it for my voice and my audio settings, but you need to find out how you're going to do it for your audio. Now, if you made it this far, thank you so much. I hope you're enjoying the channel. Right now, I'm just a small YouTuber, not living the dream, but trying to live the dream. I'm trying to give something back. So I've decided when I hit 1K subscribers, 1K community members, I'm doing some sort of giveaway. So just make sure to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it. I would appreciate it so much. It's going to help me grow. And I'll see you guys in the next one, whatever video it may be.